Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be looking at these Lenovo ThinkPlus headphones. I don't remember the specific name of them, it's in Chinese, but ThinkPlus. Now I got these off Temu for playing this like fish game, and as you can see the delivery is amazing. It's got a bit of a beat up box and everything, but hopefully the headphones are fine. So these would be about £16 I think if you bought them, but yeah, I got them for free. So as you can see, the box is all in Chinese because this is straight from China. I think if you bought these like from a UK seller, then it might be in English. See, ThinkPlus. Don't remember the specific name. Doesn't say it in English, just says ThinkPlus and Lenovo. Hopefully, even though this box is beat up, the actual headphones are fine. So let's try and undo this plastic. So now let's get into the box. And then there is instructions in the bottom of the box. So let's look at the instructions. It's all going to be, yeah, it is all in Chinese. Oh, there's a quality check pass thing. Then here in this little bag, let's have a look. It is a little USB-C charging cable. Probably won't be using that. And fairly long looking actually, aux cable. So you don't have to use the headphones Bluetooth. I'm not 100% sure if this will work. Oh, it's a decent cable. Feels quite cheaply made, whatever. But I assume these might work while dead with an aux cable. So that's quite good. And as you can see here, they fold up quite nicely. Now they do seem fairly cheaply made. They definitely looked a lot nicer on the picture. But to be fair, I got them for free. So you can't really complain. You see it's USB-C, it's the aux port. Yeah, let's see if they have any charge. So I'm going to terribly film this part of the video like I did with my AirPods video like almost 2 years ago. As you see, here's the headphones. Now where's the on button? Is it that one? Oh, the light came on. Wait, which one's left or right? Doesn't say. Oh. They're quite comfy actually. Bunch of Chinese letters, ThinkPlus TH30, so I'll click on that. Yep, they're connected, it's got 80% battery. So I'll put a song on now. To be honest, they actually don't sound that bad. They're alright. What I'm going to do is put on a no copyright song and then see how loud they go. So, got it up all the way. They're not amazingly loud. But honestly, for either the £15 that you pay for them or for free, well definitely for free, they are okay. So yeah, you see, they have actually got like little metal things there. It's quite nice build quality. Now one thing I do want to see is if I power these off and if I find my USB-C to aux cable. So these are now powered off. It's no longer on my Bluetooth, the only thing that comes up is the watch. Then if I get this cable, plug it in there, and then plug it into there. I want to see if these headphones will work just with the aux without being turned on, because that'd be quite useful. Say if you're going on like a long trip and you bring the cable with you, so then when the Bluetooth, like when the headphones die, you can still use them. Yeah, there's no lights to indicate it's on. Obviously there's no way to fully tell till it's dead, but I'm assuming they'll just work like a normal headset, like these ones. Obviously there's no electricity going into these, there's no battery, it's just the cable. So I assume it just works like that, which means as my PC doesn't have Bluetooth, I can being as my PC doesn't have Bluetooth, I could use these for my PC with the aux cable and not need to worry about draining the battery. So yeah. See, it works just the same if you unplug them, because it stops working because it's not Bluetooth. But yeah, it doesn't use the battery to do that. So if you don't want to waste your battery, then just use an aux cable. Or if your battery dies, you can just use an aux cable. Which is actually a good feature for future proofing, as the problem that a lot of people have with like AirPods is, you know, eventually you're going to throw them away because eventually the battery goes bad and you can't use them anymore, and you just have to throw them away because they can't be used anymore. Whereas like the wired headphones, you can keep them just for as long as they break. So say for example, if you had these, then the battery just stops working, then you can't use them for Bluetooth, but you might still be able to find a use for them using aux. So yeah, I'll honestly say these are really good. If you can get them for free, go for it. You might as well. They're not amazing, they don't look as nice as they did on the picture. The build quality is not as nice as what it looked like on the picture. In the picture it looked like all metal, but it's actually all plastic. But for free, you can't really complain too much. Like, what are you going to do at the end of the day? I've got these for free, what I'm going to do, ask for my money back. But yeah, they're alright. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, hope you guys enjoyed the video, hope you guys come back for the next one. Bye.